I feel like I'm the only one here. Welcome to Machu Picchu. Hola, buenos dias. Today is the day that I begin my journey to Machu Picchu, which is one of the 7 wonders of the world. I've been wanting to go there for years and I cannot believe it's finally happening. So I am in a taxi. It'll take around 30-40 minutes to get to the train station, and then from there I will hop on the train to go to Machu Picchu. Okay guys, I just got to the train station. Oh my god, this train is so cute. It's only like 1 car. So adorable. So they made me buy this face shield, or I couldn't board without it. It's crazy. Oh my god. What a waste for the environment. This train is so cute. Look at this. This view is just amazing. You can buy your tickets on your own. I went yesterday directly to Peru Rail and bought my ticket. It was $104 round trip, which is not so bad. There is a first class train that is $500 US if you want to splurge. But during these COVID times, I didn't think it was worth it because they're literally just going to give you your lunch in a plastic bag, and there's no live entertainment or anything like that like there was before. So, but this train is just as good. I love that there's like a sunroof, and the views are just amazing. So it's around 3.5 hours to Machu Picchu, and once we reach Machu Picchu, we'll have to take a bus up there, I think. So yeah, it's gonna be quite the adventure. Oh my god, that is the hotel up there. Trippy. This is amazing. Okay guys, so we just got to the Machu Picchu stop. It's actually the last stop. So yeah, let me try to find this bus that takes you up there. Oh my god, it's such a cute little town. Now I sort of feel like I should have just like spent the night here. I met a mom and daughter that were actually going to spend the night here and then go to Machu Picchu in the morning, which is an option if you're tired and you just want to chill, because it is going to be like a long day, to be honest. Hola! ¿Cómo está? ¡Qué lindo! This town is so cute. I think this might be the bus that we have to take up to Machu Picchu. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm just waiting to board this bus, which will take us up to Machu Picchu. It's around a 25-minute ride. Hola. ¿Cómo te llama? She's so cute. Vamos, Machu Picchu. Vamos. I'm not gonna lie, the whole process was intense. looks like we are just getting to the starting point to walk to Machu Picchu. It was around a 25-minute bus ride, very scenic, really nice actually. God, I'm excited, oh my gosh. Alright guys, I just got through, it was around a 15-minute wait. Oh my god. Look at these clouds. It's incredible. Okay, finally coming up to it. Wow. It's incredible. More than 7,000 feet above sea level in the Andes Mountains, Machu Picchu is the most visited tourist destination in Peru. A symbol of the Incan Empire and built around 1450 AD, Machu Picchu was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983 and was named one of the new 7 Wonders of the World in 2007. Tucked away in the rocky countryside northwest of Cusco, Peru, Machu Picchu is believed to have been a royal estate or sacred religious site for the Inca leaders, whose civilization was virtually wiped out by the Spanish invaders in the 16th century. Oh my god! I keep getting in trouble for taking photos without a mask. Who wants to wear a mask when you're at one of the 7 wonders of the world? This is like the safest place that you can be in the entire world. There's limited tourists here and the air is just so fresh and clean, and I just don't understand these stupid rules. There's pros and cons about being here in Machu Picchu during this pandemic. The pros are there's not many tourists. So you literally almost feel like you have the whole place to yourself. The cons are you keep getting yelled at if you're not wearing your mask. Even if your mask is on your chin, they want you to take all of your photos wearing a mask. I'm sorry, I'm just not gonna do that. This is like the safest place in the world right now. And I came very far. I spent a lot of money to be here. I'm not wearing a mask to take a photo at this sacred site. Sorry. Emotional. Alright guys, so I just got to this really cool stone and I was told that this is a sacred rock. Well, I mean the whole place is sacred, but this is some sort of calendar. Really cool. Okay guys, walking down now. I have no idea where this is going. I tried to go back to take some more photos, but you can't go back once you already passed it, so remember that. So apparently if you really look at the Machu Picchu mountain, it's shaped of it has a shape of a face, and I learned this yesterday. I will put the photo right here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Many tourists who visited Machu Picchu report experiencing an energy that is difficult to explain. I've definitely felt it. Okay guys, we are just coming up to a temple, Temple de Condor. Wow, what a place to have a temple. fresh natural agua.
Riquísima, mineral.
Natural.
Natural.
And we are back from where we started. Wow. I am in the bus, just getting ready to head down to town, and my train is like in an hour and a half. I'm hoping I get to eat some lunch because I haven't eaten yet, and it is a lot of walking, a lot of steep steps, so keep that in mind. And there's no way to get water unless you drink the mineral water that you find coming from the mountains like I did, but there's no refreshment stands or anything like that, so get all of that in town if you want it. Honestly, make a day of it. I probably should have spent the night so I had more time to stay, because things did feel a bit rushed, especially, you know, with them telling me to constantly wear a mask. It was the most ridiculous thing ever. It sort of just took the fun out. It's like you're always on edge because you don't know if you're gonna get caught taking a photo without a mask. It's such a crime to take a photo without a mask. Oh my god. Hey guys, this is a Peruvian dog. Very rare. I can't believe he's so close to me because they're really shy. Yes, comida Peruvian.
Yeah.
Vamos. Hola. Lunch with a view. Wow. Gracias. Okay. Oh my god. This is pumpkin soup?
Yes.
Wow, looks delicious. Gracias.
Okay, enjoy.
Oh my god, so good. Wow.